Hey guys, it's your girl Tony Antoinette and I am back with another video. Now you can thank me later, but today I'm going to show you how to make a bomb lace front wig in under an hour using the glue method. It's super easy and beginner friendly, and all you need is your wig cap, Salon Pro glue, needle and thread, and hair of course. Now today I'll be using Klaiyi hair, 3 bundles of 22-inch with a 20-inch frontal. Now since that's out of the way, let's just get started. So first things first, we're going to try to place a frontal on top of the wig cap, and you want to make sure it's not lined up 100%. You want to push out your frontal to the front, as you can see in the video here, to make sure that it's not completely one-to-one. If it's one-to-one, your wig is going to slip back, it's going to look hella crazy, and definitely not slayed and laid. So to make things really easy before we start to sew down the frontal, we're just going to pull all the hair together in one. You can either put it in a ponytail, or you can braid it, or hold it together with some clips, whatever, floats your boat, girl. And then we're going to get to sewing. Now, after this, you're going to start to sew the frontal onto the wig. And I mean, my sewing is not perfect. Yours doesn't have to be. As long as it's secure and is not going anywhere, sis, you're pretty much good to go. So as you can see, I sewed down that tab and I sewed all the way around. My sewing is not the prettiest, but I mean, who cares? I'm no big stylist. This is just for your personal use, and it still looks late at the end of the day. So the gag is. So next up, we're going to grab our bundle and we're going to line it up against the bottom of the wig. Once you do that, you're going to grab your scissors. You're going to cut it. As you can see, it matches up perfectly in the shape of a U. Once we're done this, we're going to grab our glue that baby, and after that, we are going to blow dry. Now, blow drying allows the glue to get tacky, so it doesn't just slip right off when you apply it onto the wig cap. And voila, you just glued your first track down. So now we're going to repeat. You're going to see me fast forward the clip. We're going to measure it. After we measured it, we're going to cut it. After we cut it, then we're going to apply glue. After we apply glue, then we're going to continue blow drying it so it's tacky, and we're going to stick and repeat. So this is something else that I like to do. I like to sometimes just go in with my blow dryer again and just put the heat alongside the weft of what I just glued, just to make sure it actually sticks down and doesn't slide off later. I just feel like sometimes it adds to the longevity of the wig, so that's what you see me doing here. So we've been placing our tracks in the shape of a U, but our frontal is horizontal. So now's the point that we need to start to straighten it out, or else our wig will look hella crazy. So what you see me do now is I'm laying down the track and I'm going to start to cut and place them horizontally. This will eventually start to match up with our frontal when we reach the top, and voila, we're pretty much done. So by now, you guys are pretty much pros at this. We're just repeating our steps. We're going to glue, blow dry, stick, and repeat. Glue, blow dry, stick, and repeat. Hey, glue, is it a track or not? All right. So as you can see, this is a different angle. We've reached the top. We're going to apply our last track, and boom, you just made your first frontal wig. Alright guys, and that's pretty much it for this video. As you can see, the wig is laid. It is snatched, or should I say non-snatchable. Those wefts aren't going anywhere, honey. Stay tuned for the next video as you see how I will style and color this hair. I love you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!